Today I would like to share you how to install YouTube on your iPhone 5. In 2022 you may encounter an error while you try to install YouTube on your iPhone 5. It shows that it does not compatible with your iPhone 5. Now let me show you how to have it on your device. So first you're gonna go ahead and go into the App Store, and then you're gonna go into the update, and from update you're gonna go into purchase. And this is only work if you used to install YouTube before this doesn't work. So go into search, and you're gonna search for YouTube, and just like that. So if you cannot find it, scroll down a bit, and eventually you will find it. So right there, so tap on this download button, and then it will pop up and allow you to install YouTube on your iPhone. So it will pop up this message, so tap on download, and that's it. You should be able to have YouTube on your iPhone 5 again. And now let me swipe back here. Now it is installed on my iPhone 5, so I can just go ahead and open as usual. Even though it is in the older version of YouTube, but it does work, like you can see right there. And thanks for watching, and if you want to get more video about iPhone tips and tricks, I hope you can subscribe to my channel, and then I will see you guys in the next one.